Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Pisces, hi! Welcome to Miss the Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 25 to October 1, 2023. Ayan, so I hope you are all doing well, strong, and healthy. So this is a general reading. Maari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi, just take what resonates. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin niyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, let's see, Pisces. What is your energy for this week for Pisces? Six of Swords. You are moving on. You are moving forward. You are transitioning. Maaring may mga difficult situation ka na naranasan in the past. And now, you are moving away from that, no? Some of you may be traveling sa ibang lugar na kung saan mas meron kang peace of mind. Oo, parang umiiwas ka na sa mga toxic na bagay na tao sa mundo. And then, this is your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Pisces? Four of Wands. So, maaring meron kayong challenging situation sa bahay ninyo, sa family ninyo, or stability ng isang aspeto sa buhay ninyo. So, let's see anong challenge to sa anong aspect in life for Pisces. Seventh house, which is about your relationship. So, pwedeng sa family relationship to, sa asawa. This can be challenging for you. Pwedeng may nag-away, may hindi nagkakasundo. Kaya with the Six of Swords here, as your energy, umiiwas ka na sa stress, umiiwas ka sa sa mga bagay na nagbibigay lang sa'yo ng sama ng loob. Oo. So, let's see naman your opportunity. Ano yung opportunity ng mga Pisces? You have the Four of Swords. So, you have the opportunity to heal from the pain or heal from your past. No? Four of Swords is also about taking a rest. Yung iba sa inyo, yun nga, magta-travel, magbabakasyon para mas may panahon at time kayo sa sarili ninyo na makapagpahinga, makapag-release ng mga nega energies. Ayan. So, let's see naman your blessing. Anong blessing ng mga Pisces? Ano yung blessing ng mga Pisces? Five of Pentacles. So, for some of you, meron na ritong makakaahon sa financial struggle. Okay? Maaring merong taong tutulong sa'yo. Maaring bibigyan ka literal, no, ng financial aid, financial support, or maaring bibigyan ka rin ng idea on how to grow your money or how to make more money. So, let's see naman your recent past. Ano yung recent past ng Pisces? Three of Wands. Maaring meron kayong wino-workout, meron kayong inaayos na mas dinedevelop and expand. This can be your career, your business. And some of you naman, meron ditong relationship or connection na long-distance relationship. So, for some of you, maaring isa yon sa inaayos nyo ngayon. Yung relationship ninyo, yung long-distance relationship ninyo. Kasi, mahirap talaga. Ang LDR. Oo. It's one of the most frustrating situation sa relationship. But, kung talagang matatag kayo, why not, 'di ba? Ayusin nyo na lang. So, this is your present energy. Ooh, the Tower. Okay. So, I feel like you are trying to save something. Meron kang sinasagip. This can be literal na bahay ninyo kasi with the Four of Wands as your challenge, maaring may challenging situation kayo sa bahay ninyo. Pwedeng kailangan nyo nang umalis doon sa bahay na yon para lumipat sa iba. But some of you, parang iniisip nyo na, no, magsistay ako rito, ganon. So, you're trying to save something na wala ka ng control over it, no? I think this is a message for you to accept whatever is hindi mo na sakop or hindi na saklaw ng control mo. Kasi I feel like it is ending or it has to end para merong magsimulang bago. So this is your near future for Pisces. Oh, see? Something has to end para may magsimula. With the Death card, this is transformation. In the near future, may magtatapos. Can be a chapter in your life and you're going to start something new. For some of you, this can be a relationship. This can be a contract, mga kontrata sa bahay, yung mga nagre-renta. Or can be sa career mo, no? Let's see for some of you. Ano tong transformation, in what area? 12th house. 12th house is your, halo-halo. Halo-halong issue. 8th house. 8th house is also about other people's money. So, maaring involvement ng mga may related sa business or investments. So, let's see what else. Uy, may good luck, diba? All of your manifesting positive thoughts and visualizations have been heard. See? If you're manifesting something, i-continue mo lang yan. And of course, take action, work towards it because yun ay ibibigay sa'yo. Army of Life. Ask for help, seek support, you are not alone. Diba? Nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, mayroong tutulong, handang tumulong sa inyo, magbigay ng support sa kung ano man yung kailangan ninyo. And then, this is your self-care, kindness, be kind to yourself. Okay, Pisces? What if being kind to yourself really could change everything? So, the more na you become kinder to yourself, things are going to change for the better. So, minsan kasi sinasakripisyo natin yung sarili natin para sa iba. But, of course, you have to focus also on yourself bago ka magbigay ng tulong sa iba or bago ka makatulong sa iba, sarili mo muna yung tulungan mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.